Over the last few years, massive geopolitical, technological, and climate changes have caused unprecedented shifts in industrial manufacturing. Pressure to make products smart and connected, digitize the factory and operations, create more automated and reliable supply chains, and deliver on rising customer expectations. All these present both a significant challenge and an opportunity to move beyond the status quo of incrementalism to radical growth. By placing innovation at the heart of transformation today, industry is well positioned to be at the very forefront of connecting the physical, digital, and virtual worlds, as well as redefining the roles and business models across the broader ecosystem. At EY, Advanced Manufacturing Realized begins with the end in mind. By exploring what the future may hold, we help manufacturers set a new and inspiring growth agenda across time horizons and design the transformation grounded in value-led innovation. Our approach is unique. It combines the art and science of innovation, leveraging assets, tools, and data-driven insights to de-risk and test the key assumptions underpinning the future growth agenda while simultaneously addressing the core challenges that face CXOs today. This type of innovation is not conceptual or theoretical, but practical and value-driven, designed to drive business results and be a game changer. This is a highly complex challenge with a magnitude and scale that does not permit a trial and error approach. No, this will take several years to fully realize the impact and outcomes. Yet where are the entry points? How do they address the pressure to build quick wins, to demonstrate and measure progress, and to gain the necessary buy-in along the way? The stakes are high, but so are the rewards. Time is of the essence, and companies can no longer stand still to let the competition pave a way that cannot be replicated or customized because it must be bespoke. The time to act is now. Welcome to Advanced Manufacturing Realized.